In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this ladder on the wall scene in 5 minutes. Let's create a cylinder. S to scale. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. Let's select the vertical mesh, and go to Edit mode. Move the mesh like this away from the center. I'm using G and X to move the mesh on the Y-axis in Edit mode. Let's mirror the mesh. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. G and Z to move on the Z-axis. Let's add the array modifier. Shift-select both meshes and Ctrl-J to join them. Let's create a ground plane mesh. I'll duplicate and rotate it. Let's scale the plane meshes. For the ground and the wall, I'll use PBR texture images. Select the main node, and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR texture images. To use the Ctrl, Shift, T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. We need to scale up the images like this. I'll use the sky texture. We need to adjust the camera's clip end setting. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.